Hello, hello. Welcome, everyone. We are here to the session 7 from our Chainlink Bootcamp. The total will be 10 sessions, so we have this and 3 more days. And today is the second day that we are talking about CCIP, the cross-chain interoperability protocol. And today we are doing this with NFTs. Yesterday we learned about NFTs, and today we are doing cross-chain NFTs. This is really amazing. So let's go to our pet. Let's start in the pet. To have you here, the people is already coming. I share my screen. Welcome everyone. And you saw that I asked something different today. If you'd like to share some network of your social network with our friends here or our colleagues in the bootcamp, feel free to do it. Let's get some minutes to you. And remember that we are not on page 6, we are on page 7. All the sessions are here in the same place that you did the subscription to the bootcamp. You registered here, and then if you scroll down, you can see the link of our session. So if you go to some past session, let's go to the day 4. You can see what's happened. Okay? And we are here now, day 7. If you try to go to the day that we didn't happen yesterday, you'll be waiting. And this is all the sessions are here. Okay? What more? Remember to join our Discord. We have a channel to the bootcamp. And over there, you can talk about, you can help your friends, you can ask for help. We have a lot of amazing people over there that is helping, and I really appreciate this. Hey, so good. Darby, you are here. Darby is a developer expert. He's here to help us a bit. And Tatiana, welcome. Tatiana is a community manager like Jeff and Javier, that you know a bit about them. And good to see you here as well. And what more for now, remember that our slides are here. So in a few minutes, I will start this presentation with you. And the task form, I already added the new tasks for today. I can't open because I need to do a login that I'm not doing now. But we have 4 tasks today. Today is the day that I'm not talk so much, it's not so many slides, but this is a huge practical day because we are creating 3 different smart contracts. And I will go in a slow down mode to be sure that you are not being lost in the middle, okay? And Gabriel, you are welcome. Okay, and let's see if you need some help with the faucet. And today we are using both faucets, Sepolia and Fuji, but only get some token over there if you really need it, because let's share this with everyone. And I know that you need the password. So let's get the password for you. Oh, what is this here? Faucet. This is the password, line 18 and 19. Probably we don't have nothing here now. Yes, so I will send something to our class now. So if we have here 150.5, we should have fifth Sepolia. Let's send this. Oh, I am on Avax now. So let's go to Sepolia and fund our faucet for today. And also, I must send some link. Not Sepolia now, link token. Let's send 5. I need more link. But the link you can try to get in the official faucet as well. So is this in some minutes we'll have this on Sepolia. I will add on Fuji as well. Let's go to Fuji. And oh, I don't have so much now. I must send only a bit. And help your friends because I'm running out of tokens now. A bit of this, a bit of link as well. Okay. Let's see what's happened here. So today we need 5 links and a bit 0.05 on each or less. Like 10% of this is good. Okay. Now, if you don't have it, let's try to share with your friends. Okay. Let's see how we are here. Okay, we have a lot of people. Welcome, welcome everyone. Let's add a divider here. And okay, we don't need the source of this. We can get only here. Yes, great. A lot of people here. Amazing. So I think I can start now. We are here on session 7 today. And let's talk about cross-chain NFTs and Chainlink CCIP. But today it's a session related to messages, not tokens, not ERC20 tokens. This is the pad. We are already over there. Let's talk about what's a message. We can think about an arbitrary message like send any arbitrary data. This will be encoded as bytes to a receiving smart contract on a different blockchain. This is one point that you must pay attention here is that when you are sending messages, you cannot send into a normal wallet because the wallet cannot handle this. So when we talk about messages, the messages must be sent to another smart contract in the destination chain. Okay. But when you think about a message, I can send a message like a hello world. This is good. But I also can send something like a command to another smart contract. Like I'd like to call a function in another smart contract. And we are doing this today. And imagine that you can even encode multiple instructions in a single message. And then you can enable a way to orchestrate a complex, a multi-step or multi-chain tasks. So this can be so huge. And yes, we have more than one developer expert here today. Lucas are here as well. Welcome, guys. Thank you for your help. And now, let's go for it. When we talk about the arbitrary messaging, you can imagine that you can use this to trigger an informed action on the receiving smart contract in the destination chain. Like this, rebalancing an index, or minting a specific NFT. We are doing this today. Or update the state of a game, or calling an arbitrary function, any function, with the same information as custom parameters. Today we are doing this. We are minting an NFT, but we are sending an extra parameter saying that this NFT is coming from other chain. Okay? And when I'm doing when I'm handle messages, I can think about the program token transfers. I told you that today I'm not using a token approach, but you can later study how to combine this, combine the token transfer with the messages. So you can simultaneously transfer tokens and arbitrary data in a single transaction. And this kind of mechanism you allow you to transfer the tokens and send the structures, call functions, in a way that what would you like to do with the token? You send the token, and also you send some message to telling what would you like to do with the token. And this is like a new word, because remember that tokens, when we cannot transfer tokens directly to another smart contract. If you send a token to another smart contract in the same chain, the other contract, the destination contract, didn't know that it's receiving a token. In order to do this, if you do this using CCIP, using the token pool, yes, you can do this, because you can send it to the second chain, the token itself, and also some instruction what would you like to do with that token. So this is amazing, and this bring to us an infinite alternatives and what we can do. And here I have an example for you. A user could transfer tokens to a lending protocol with instructions to leverage those tokens as a collateral for a loan, borrowing another asset, and send back to the user. So this is huge, and this is a complex operation that you can handle on this way. And this is our goal today. What about an NFT that can be minted in one chain from another chain? We are doing this today. And when we talk about this, we are talking about cross-chain NFTs. And here I add some cross-chain options. One option is exactly what we are doing today, mint an NFT from one chain, and this NFT will appear in another chain. And I already comment to you that this was the first CCIP workshop when CCIP was launched in Paris, July last year on the HCC week. And I did this workshop during the HCC event. And this was the first CCIP workshop. And I'm so proud of this. And but also I can have different uh, ideas with the NFTs, with the cross-chain options. Another, I can have the same NFTs in many chains, but then I must like manage this. In which chain this NFT is active now? Or maybe can I have an attribute active in one chain and another attribute active in another chain? Maybe you can think about it. So you can think about different metadata attributes, like different status, different color. Today I'm doing something like this. We are having different colors in our NFT, and also I can tell you that we have a different information as well, but we are minting the NFT with these different attributes. And this is our project today. We are doing a cross-chain NFT emoji based on the BTC price. And remember yesterday that I told you that we could do create the NFT in different ways, create the image in different ways. So today the image is a SVG, and also today the JSON file will be built on chain directly in your smart contract. So I can tell you that today it's a complex NFT. And remember that we start from zero for beginners, and day by day we are adding new concepts, some complexity on this until the last day of our bootcamp. And um, this is my goal. I will tell you that it is not being like this now, because on Sepolia, the price is not updated so frequently. So I did a lot, and all of them I like this because the price didn't change. But this is our goal. For example, if the background is blue, this NFT was minted on Sepolia. If the background is red, was minted on Fuji. And I'm not using Mumbai today, but I already did this on Mumbai in another workshop. And if I'm doing this from Mumbai, the background polygon is purple. Also, if the price of the NFT didn't change, if I compare with the last time that I minted the NFT, the emoji, it's this face, nothing happened. If the price goes up after the last time, I'm so happy. But if the price went down, okay, I'm sad. And this. So I'm combining a cross-chain NFT with the data prices that you learned last week. And it's not thank you yet. Let's go to the hands-on part. So let's do it. Great. Let's set this down. And this is my limit with you. Let's close this. Let's see where I must go now. Oh, this is one that I was testing 1 hour ago. I think half an hour ago. And like I told you, I did a lot of tests directly on Sepolia. And only the first that was from zero to the first price was happy. And all the others was like, nothing happened. Okay, we can. Are you mint one more this on this now? Let's see what's happened. I have it in um, another screen. Wait. Okay, let's do this. So we must create 3 smart contracts. First, the NFT. And the NFT will be created on the destination chain, Sepolia. Second, the destination minter. So I have a contract on Sepolia that is managing how to mint the NFT. This is the destination minter. Then on the source chain, that will be Fuji, we will create the source minter. So we have these 3. Let's start it. Here, let's go. We are going now. Let's put some instructions for you. MetaMask, go to Sepolia, go to Remix, where I am. I must take some of this. And create, let's get the name of our first file. It is cross-chain price nft.sol. It's not on the GitHub yet, okay? Are you adding some minutes? And this is our NFT. This is not so complicated, so deploy it and add here the name of your cross-chain, your name, and cross-chain price NFT address. Okay, let's do it. I am in the Chainlink Bootcamp. I must first create like you. Let's see if I am on Sepolia because I have no idea. No, I am on Avalanche. So let's go to Sepolia. Create this. Rama, we are starting on Sepolia. Look here. MetaMask Sepolia. Okay? We are starting here. And then this is the code. Let's copy from here. Don't cut the code, only copy it. Here until here. Copy it. Let's come here and paste. Yes, I know. I can trust myself. And here is in our content. Now I will explain this and deploy this content on Sepolia. And let's explain this first for you. It's hot here. Let's drink a bit. So, like always, license, we are on 0.8.19. This is because some Chainlink libraries that is working on this version, okay, not working on 21. Oh, I didn't test on 21, in fact. So let's be sure that we are in a trust version. You can see here that I am importing the libraries related to the Open Zeppelin, but this is important. This base 64 will be used to create all the information of the NFT on chain. And here you can see that my NFT is related to the data feeds. So I can have here the aggregator interface. This is the cross-chain NFT. I'm importing the libraries from Open Zeppelin. And you can see here that I'm using strings, the strings library. And I have the aggregator interface, that's the price feed. I'm getting the last price and save here. And this is the emoji. So I have the indicator of price up, price down, price flat. And this is the price indicator that I'm using now. And this is, I create a new struct inside my NFT to handle the cross-chain part. So for each chain, I have the code of chain, and where I got this code, I'm using this from the supported networks. So if I have the code, a name, and a color, okay, the background color, and this I create a mapping with a number that I decide the number and a chain structure. This is my chain, okay? So is this. My NFT is called cross-chain price, CC price, and in the constructor, I'm initializing the chains. Chain 0 will be Sepolia. So this is the destination chain on Sepolia. I got this here. Sepolia testnet, chain selector. This is what I'm using here. Name is Sepolia. I decided this name. I could put add Ethereum Sepolia, whatever. I decided only to use Sepolia. And this is the color that I'm using. You saw the color over there, the blue color. Okay, and I create a new more. Oh, you can see now that I just did this and the BTC price was down. And let's come back here. So the Sepolia is blue. Now I have another item on my array, my struct list. That is the Fuji. This is the chain selector that I got from here. Fuji. I'm using this. I will use this to be the chain, okay? And also the color will be red, name Fuji. And I did this on Mumbai last year, so I have another chain here, always the same. Selector for Mumbai, name that I decided, color purple. One second. Eiki, probably you are not connected on Sepolia. Check it if you are connected here on Sepolia. Like me, I'm not. So if I try to do now, I will get the same error of you, okay? Let's connect it. Okay. Thank you for remembering me that I was not connected. And remember, the code, like I said before, I got the code here from the supported networks. The code is the chain selector, okay? And here is, I'm initializing the price feed. So I'm using the Sepolia BTC USD aggregator. Let's see if this is right. If I'm not on the wrong address, wrong chain, can happen. Sepolia BTC USD. Copy it. This is exactly the same, so this is good. And then I mean, I don't need this Cersei Fuji here, okay? Because I'm only minting and I am on Sepolia. Let's take this off for me and for you. You don't need this information because this information is not true. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm minting an NFT to the creator, to the owner of the content. What is the function mint? Because I am on Sepolia, you can see that here I have only the address that I'd like to receive the NFT. But if you'd like to mint from Sepolia, in fact, I'm using this mint from with the address and from 0. 0 is the Sepolia chain. Remember that we defined it here, 0 Sepolia. And what is the mint from? This is a function that I created because I'd like to manage who you will receive and what is the source chain, okay? And like always, we are creating a new NFT, so I must create a new index, a new ID, and use the safe mint of OpenZeppelin to do this. After this, I'm updating the metadata of my NFT using the source ID and increment the counter. What about the update the metadata? What I'm doing here? I'm creating an SVG. I'm creating the image live. So let's go to this build SVG first to understand. I think this is down here. Build SVG. So I'm creating an SVG, an image inside my smart contract. This is so cool. So this is the corner, like the background, the rectangle with a random color. Is not in fact a random color. Now we are using the color defined. This is the head of the SVG. I'm initializing this. I'm updating the emoji based on the price. So this is the body of my NFT, the SVG. I'm comparing price here. And then I'm closing the SVG. All of this done, I'm encoding this. So what is the compare price? This is like we did last week in the session number 3. The compare price is exactly the same function, in fact, because I'm getting the Chainlink data feed latest answer and comparing the price. Like I have the current price. This is the last time that I did. If the price that I have before was, if the price now is higher, price indicator is up. If the price now is down, then is lower than last time, the price indicator is down. If it's exactly the same, you have the flat. And this. And the get Chainlink data fit latest answer, we use this in the token shop. But you can see here that I have a new approach to get the information, okay? Only to understand what I'm doing. And this is like the token that we did yesterday, is to get the URL of the information of the token, and I must have this because of Solidity. Okay, let's come back because we did the build SVG, but we must understand how to create the metadata on chain. It's here. We created the image. To create the metadata, check here. I'm creating a string. This is the JSON string. So I'm using the base64 encode, and then I'm encoding the name of my NFT, cross-chain price SVG, description, SVG NFTs in different chains, the image that I'm initializing the image saying that this is an SVG with XML. It's encoded in base64, and then I have the bytes of the image that we got here. The SVG is used here. Then I have the attributes. I have 2 attributes. The source, this is the name of the source chain, and the price, that's the last price that we got in the compare price. So with all of this, I can create the token URI, that is the JSON file, the metadata of the our NFT, and set this. So is this for me is so amazing because I'm creating an image inside the smart contract. Then I'm creating all the attributes, all the JSON metadata of the NFT inside the smart contract. So this is really, really amazing. And this is our NFT. I think I didn't create mine. Let's see. Yeah, probably no. Let's create mine. Yeah, I don't have a contract here. So deploy it. Sepolia, I'm good here. Confirm. Let's drink something. And here we are. I have my NFT now, like you. Amazing. Congrats, everyone. Oh, you did Sepolia. Perfect. Thank you so much for helping your colleagues. Yeah, gas is high now. Oh, I saw a question here from Vandana that related to your files. Here. Vandana, probably you did something like, if you clear all the cache, maybe you lost all your files. A tip for later, not for now that you already lost it, but later you can come here to your workspace, even if not this, if the default, right button, you can download this. So then you have all of this in your computer. and after you can upload them in another moment. But to get this again, to create each of these, they are here in our bootcamp, in the GitHub. So get each of these and create one by one. And then remember, to access them, you must select the file and use the address. You don't need to deploy it again, okay? And the contents from today are not here yet. I will do during the class in a few minutes when I finish, okay? So is this, let's go forward. Oh, again, the same. Guys, probably you are doing this because you are not on Sepolia. Maybe this is the problem, okay? If you are here in the Remix VM, you have problems. And we are doing the NFT is on Sepolia, okay? Create the NFT, deploy the NFT on Sepolia. Okay, then. Next, we must create, oh, before that, let's see our NFT on OpenSea. Okay, the GitHub, okay. Sorry, I thought that I did it. So here, but also it's here, no? No. Okay. Here, line 18, I added the bootcamp, the GitHub. Remember that I will create a Git book later, probably next week with all the information, but not now. This is another, okay, for today is this. That is the learn solidity, but we are on this now, okay? Let's go to OpenSea, and then I'd like you to share your collection. Where is mine? I must do it again. Copy and paste and find it. Anna, we are not using this on IPFS, so don't do this. We are not using. It's you didn't configure this, and it's not our focus now. Okay. So this is my collection, and I have one happy face cross chain. This is mine. Let's add here. So add here your collection like I did mine, and keys for you add one of the items of your collection. This is the collection itself. This is yours. So your collection is this. Yes, you fix it. Fix you, not me. Amazing. Let's give you some minutes. So amazing. Let's give you more time. Simona, I don't have any more Fuji Avalanche to send now. What I have, I must use in the other workshops today. So could you add your address and someone could send a bit to Simona? And let's see how we are. Great. So amazing, guys and girls. Here we are. Let's interact with our NFT. So on Remix, in your smart contracts, and go to your cross-chain. So on. And let's do something here. I'd like to explore this a bit with you. For example, let's see what is the last price. This is the last price that we got. If you compare the price now, maybe it didn't change because with the time to update this on Sepolia used to be higher than other networks. Okay, so if I compare price, you get a new one or no. What I'd like you to do here is like to try to mint a new one for you. So who can help Simona? And here, go to mint. So here we are. You mint one new for me. Get my address. Come back to the mint function, add my address and mint. Confirming. And okay. It's confirmed here. So if I came here on this, you can see that now I have two happy faces. Ooh, this is good. Okay, so good. Okay, let's still go forward. What we are doing now is creating the second contract. Thank you. So I will add this part down. Here we are. Now let's create the destination minter, the cross-chain destination minter. Cross-destination minter.sol. I must create this like you. So let's do it. Remix. Create a new file. Cross-destination minter. And let's copy for you and for myself. And this is on Sepolia as well. The destination chain will be Sepolia, okay? So here we are. And oh, I not did for you, sorry. And to deploy this parameter, the NFT address, okay? Collection address is this. So here we are. I will explain this first for you. Or let's deploy. Contact destination, deploy, NFT address. So let's get my address here. Paste here. This is the parameter to mint this. To deploy this. Confirming. Okay, now I have here a second contract that is the destination minter. Copy, paste here for you. So name and cross-chain destination minter address. And let's explain this for you. Before that, yes, Vandana, you can get all the contact address from Etherscan and the Recover Remix. So some options related to the address. One, Etherscan. Second, if you add them in our previous pads every day, you have over there. Third option, if you already filled the task form, you have them over there. And after this, like Lucas said here, then if you have the address, you can get the address and use the at address, not deploy, okay? I must explain this for you now. Wait a minute. Here we are. Remember, the cross-destination minter will be deployed on Sepolia. And this is so important to you. This is the content that will receive the message from CCIP, from the router, okay? In order to do this content must have this, must import the CCIP receiver. So the destination contract must import the CCIP receiver. And also because the CCIP service has some libraries, some like custom structures, I must have the client here as well to import this. Here you can see that I have an interface that's the INFT minter, okay? And this is the interface to interact with my NFT. But I don't need to have all the functions from my NFT. I will use only the mint function. So I create an interface here where I declare only the mint with the parameters. Okay. So this what I specify here came from here. Mint from, it's exactly this, but if it's public here, in the interface is external, okay? Okay. Let's see something. Guys, be sure that here you have the contact, the cross-destination minter selected, okay? It's default, but to be sure before deploy. Let's continue. So you can see that my contact cross-destination minter is CCIP receiver. It's importing the CCIP receiver. I have the NFT. I have an event if I mint this successful. Now I need to use the router of Sepolia. This is the smart contact from CCIP on Sepolia. This is the router where I got this. And let's see if this is right. Here we are. Supported networks, a bit slow now. Okay, we are on testnet, the last version of testnet, and Sepolia. The router is this, A59. The router is A59, all good here. So this is the constructor. Inside the constructor, I'm initializing with the NFT address. and I'm initializing the CCIP receiver with the Sepolia router. And here we are. Like I said before, I'm importing the CCIP receiver because I must have this function inside my content, the underscore CCIP receive. And this function, you handle the message that the CCIP, the router, the CCIP service, you send to me using the router, through the router. And this is the message. So I must have this structure, any2 EVM message that I imported from the client. And on this message, I will use this message on my NFT. So this is the address of my NFT, and wherever the message that I'm receiving, I'm calling this message inside the NFT. In fact, what is the message? I have another here. The message will be here. So my NFT, you receive this mint from address and chain selector, and this will be from the message.sender with the chain ID. And here I'm using Sepolia because I am inside Sepolia, but when I'm coming from Fuji, this number will be different. But this is the point. My NFT is calling the instructions that I have inside this message. This is really amazing. And then, if this is successful, I will emit the mint, the event. Because I'd like to be sure that this is working, I have some functions to test this locally. Locally means in the same network. First is test mint. So I'm doing the NFT mint from 0 because I am on Sepolia here. This content is deployed on Sepolia. And also I did this to test my message. And it's the same. I create a message here. You can see that the message is encoded. My message is this, mint from, address, number. The parameters are the sender and 0 because I'm on Sepolia. Be careful here. If you add a space here, you will not work anymore. Once I have like 4 hours because of this problem. So don't do this. I'm saving your time. And this. I will call the NFT with the message. You can see that here that I'm testing message. I'm doing exactly the same that the CCIP receiver will do. And here I'm testing the same chain, okay? And if you'd like to do this with other NFT, you can, like sometimes I did something wrong with my NFT, I must change the NFT, then I change here. Okay, let's see how are our messages now. I saw some messages related to the gas. When I'm deploying this, I don't change nothing related to gas on MetaMask, okay? You used to not do this. And well, James, I think you can start here now. You can learn everything. If you are not a developer, you must use more time. Your effort it will be a bit more than the others to understand basics of programming logics. But you can do this. I try to do in a way that everyone can do, even if you are not a developer. If you know how to copy and paste, you can do this. But like I told you, like in the beginning of this course, if you are not a developer, you must study more for do this. You cannot be a developer on 10 days. But this is like the path that you can study. I think this material that I'm sharing with you, you can easily pass 6 months studying this. And even if you are a developer and you are coming to the Web3 space, it's a bit fast than if you are not a developer, but also you need more time to practice this. What's happening in the future when we finish this is that everything is working here when you copy and paste, almost working, I know. But when you try later and you try to change some parameters, some information, you'll not work like you must study it more to make this working. And this is normal. It's your learning path. Okay? And yes, Jimal, this is amazing. You are only watching the class now and doing coding offline. This is good as well because I know that it's hard, especially if you have only one screen, like to see the YouTube video, to see the pad, and to go to Remix or wherever we must go in the same time. It's so crazy. So I know that sometimes it's better to watch now and do when we finish, we try to do this. Okay, this is so learning, so normal. Okay, okay, and thank you for this, Seiki. This is good as well. And okay, now we have the destination minter. Let's test it. Amazing. I'm so proud of you. My students are so amazing. So what we are doing now, first, here, on the cross destination minter, you will do the test mint and then the test message. Test mint, test message. Okay, let's do the test mint. Yes, Zeiki. For me, it's like impossible to have only one screen. Even when I'm traveling, that I travel a lot to events, to do workshops live in person, and I have a second portable screen to go with me because I know that I cannot use like when I'm coding in an event live, but I must use this like on my room in different cities around the world. Okay, great, great. So I did this, I did the test mint, should appear a new NFT here. And it's still blue because we are only on Sepolia until now. And yes, and you can see that now the price didn't change. Let's go to one of these. Let's see this. Wow, I don't have a triple screen. I must test this, Kisford. Great idea. The deploy input is, let's understand, Sarah, what is saying here? When you try to deploy, it's saying that you must add the address of your NFT address. So add the address of your NFT. And let's come back here. This is the last one that I minted now. And if I come here, I saw the price. This is probably the same price from the last one. This is the last one before. So the price here is the same here. We are on Sepolia. Take a look in the attributes. And if I compare with the first that I minted, the price here, it's a bit slow than the price, a bit low than the price here. So the price was up, okay? So good. This is good until now. Let's mint one more. Now using the mint message, the test message, because I'd like to be sure that I have the message as well. And guys, related to the faucet, I'm doing my best to fund our workshop faucet all time, but take a look in the Chainlink faucet as well, and help you. And you can add your wallet address down in the pad, and someone can help you now, okay? But try the official faucet first, please. Here we are. So let's see. Oh, now my transaction is confirmed. Should appear a new one. Okay. Too flat. Too happy. We are good. All blue because we are on Sepolia. Now we are ready to go to Fuji. Let's go to Fuji. Let's come here. How do you get the NFT collection address? The NFT collection address is the address of your cross-chain NFT that you did here. This is the address of your collection, the address of the smart contract, okay? And create, now important, so important, MetaMask, go to Avalanche. Oh, it's hard today. Fuji, okay. Okay, let's go. I used to ask you to do this and I forgot. So now I am on Avalanche Fuji. Okay. Let's go forward on Remix, create. Let's get the last file. Crosser cemented. Here we are. And then begin end. I need to create it. Second icon, File Explorer, create a new file, Crosser cemented. Look at this. If I don't add the extension, the .sol will be added in automatic way, okay? But to be shared. Here we are, Crosser cemented. Let's get the code for you and for me. So this is for you. This is for me. And then let's understand the deploy. In order to deploy, the parameter is the address, the destination minter address. You did on Sepolia, okay? Let's do this, and then you can add here your name and your crosser cemented. Let's do it. Remix. Get the cross destination minter address, copy it here. Go to my crosser cemented, paste the address, and deploy. Remember that I am on Avax Fuji now. Okay, this is the address. Let's come here. Amazing. You are so fast. I'm so proud when my students is faster than me. This is really amazing. Okay, I must explain this code for you as well. Let's drink a bit more, and I will show you something now. Wait. Like, you know that I am in São Paulo, Brazil. I'm based here. And like, I am in a new house that I'm renovating, but my house is not done yet. So I'm not in my perfect environment now. I don't have my air conditioned yet. So I have a lot of fans around me, but take a look in the temperature now. 31 degrees Celsius. This is so hot. Okay, let's go to our code. Remember, deploy this on Fuji. And you can see here that I have the interface of the client, the router itself. Also, I'm using the library of the CCIP because of the structures that I need. And I'm using the link token interface because remember that I must pay fees, and I'm paying fees on the Cersei blockchain. So I will pay fees here using the link token. And hey, Kisford, are you in Colorado? See you in Denver? I will be in Denver in 1 month and 5 weeks, I think. So this is the cross Cersei minter. And you can see that I'm handling some errors, like if I don't have enough balance to execute the transaction, or if at the end I'd like to withdraw what I have in my contract, the link that I have in my contract, I can do this. If I don't have nothing, I will have this error. Okay? Here we are declaring some things like the router, the link token, the destination chain, the owner, and the destination minter. We have this event message sent with the message. And in the constructor, remember that we are sending the destination minter address. We are defining the owner because only the owner can withdraw the tokens. And remember that all this information are in the CCIP supported networks. And we are on Fuji, so this is from Fuji. So I need to have the router address on Fuji. Would you like to get it to confirm? Here we are, Fuji, and testnet, Fuji, router address 8177, 8177, all good. So here I'm initializing the router. Link token is the same link that we are using here. Okay, the link that I have here is the same address, but to be easy for you, if I go here, you can see that the support fee tokens can be using link. We have this here, and this is the same that I have here. And I'm also approving to the router on Fuji to expand my tokens to pay the fees. Okay, we are going to Sepolia. So the destination chain selector is Sepolia. I already show you this, but if I came here in the supported networks and find Sepolia, I can see the chain selector here. And this is the chain selector that I'm using here. And the destination minter, this is my contract, my destination minter that I already deployed on Sepolia. This is the contract that will receive the message. Then we have this imported function here, the mint on Sepolia. And remember that the mint is from Fuji network. And if you come back to the cross-chain NFT, the Fuji network is here, chain 1, Fuji. And here is that I'm using here. So creating the message, you have the structure that I got the structure from the client, the CCIP client, EVM to any message. I'm creating this structure now, this message. And what is the information that I can have this? Receiver, this is the destination minter, the content that you receive the message. The data, this is what you are sending to this contract. This is the same message that I tested here. Remember that I tested this. So this, I'm using here in the cross-source minter. Mint from address, that will be you. The source chain now is not 0 because I am on Fuji, so it's from 1. Token amount, it's 0 because I'm not sending tokens, only the message now. And the extra arguments, because I know that this is a bit complex, that only a transfer, I'm using the maximum gas limit. Okay, this is the maximum that I can get it, and probably I can see here in some place as well. Fuji to Sepolia, the capacity of everything. No, I don't have the gas limit here. Okay, so it's here. Using this gas limit and fee token. Remember that I'm paying fees using the link token. So here I have the address of the link token. Like we did when we transferring tokens, first of all, we are using the router to calculate the fees to us. Sometimes can happen that this must be recalculated later, but this is the fee that the destination network needs now. So I must say, who is the destination chain selector? With this message, how much are you paid to do this? And then I'm checking if I have enough link inside my contract. So you can see here that we must send the link to this contract later. And if I don't have it, I revert with this error. Then when I'm sending this to the network, the CCIP is returning a message ID for me. And here you can see that I'm sending the message using the router, calling the CCIP send function to the destination chain selector with my message. And here I have the modifier, only owner, only to be sure that only the owner can withdraw the link that remain the contract if you'd like to do this later. And sometimes my students have problems that they forgot to add the link to fund the content with link. So to have your life easier, I create the link balance here, and can be to any account. So check the balance of this account directly here, okay? And like I said before, remember that you use this content, you tested, but if you'd like to get the link back to using next exercise, withdraw the link that you have here, okay? Perfect. All good? Did you deploy it? Yes, we deploy it. So after deploy it, what we must do? I think this is some approaches with tokens, and maybe in the future we have others, but this is only approach, okay? It's some strategies. Next, you must go to MetaMask and send 5 link to your content to your cross-source minter address. Remember, on MetaMask, on Fuji, send this. Let's do it. Let's get the address of my content again. It's here. Copy. Go to MetaMask, tokens, select the link token, send. Here we are. 5 links. And next. Confirming. All good. Now, after this, go to the link balance. So on Remix, on your contract, how the function link balance. So using the link balance with the cross minter address should return something like I do now. Let's see. So this is the address of my contact, link balance. Should return this. This is equal to 5 link. Okay? All good now. Are you prepared to do your cross-chain mint token? Let's see. Felipe, I don't know what transaction are you doing, but if you are trying to do the mint on Sepolia before send tokens, is this a problem? Okay. Felipe. I'm Sepolia. Did you reload the remix? Try to reload the remix. Try to be sure that you are, okay, you are on Sepolia, but be sure that in the environment here, you are on injected provider. And copy and paste the code again. Maybe someone takes some part of the code, okay? And I must update this as well. So we are doing the mint on Sepolia, and then I update it live to solve some bugs. So yes, Lindsay, we are ready to do the mint on Sepolia, to mint in another chain. Let's go. Mint on Sepolia, here I am. So Fuji to Sepolia. Mint an NFT from Fuji to Sepolia. Mint on Sepolia. And then you can add here for me the name and your transaction ID. Let's do it. I'm on Fuji. All good. Confirm. Let's get the address, the transaction ID. So copy transaction ID. On MetaMask, click on your transaction, copy transaction ID. In this way, I can get the ID and add it here. Congrats, guys. Amazing. Great. And now let's go to the CCIP Explorer. Go to, let's add another divider here. This is really amazing. Let's go a bit down. So here we are, a lot of people creating your cross-chain transaction, your cross-chain NFT. This is amazing, I'm so happy. So let's review this part one more time. So what you did, we create the cross-chain source minter on Sepolia. Remember that? So I came here to deploy. I added the parameter is the address of the destination minter that I did on Sepolia. Now I am on Fuji, on the cross source minter. And then here I add the address. Deploy it. Here we are. Then I sent on MetaMask to the address of my contact. I sent to the address 5 link. Oh, this is not the address of my contact. Wait. On MetaMask, I came to tokens, link, sent to the address of my contact 5 links. I will not do this again, but do this. Then I check the link balance of my contact. So copy the contact address, paste here, check the link balance. You can see that I had 5 link, but now I have only 4.41. It means that my transaction, I think, is done. And after this, after I'm sure that I have this, I did the mint on Sepolia. And with the mint on Sepolia transaction, that I'm here, activity, contract interaction. This is the mint on Sepolia. I copied the transaction ID. First of all, share with you all of this. So amazing. So here, the transaction ID, mint on Sepolia, transaction ID. All of this, we have it. So amazing. And now we must go to the CCIP Explorer. So let's get my transaction ID again. Here, MetaMask, click on transaction, copy transaction ID. Go to the CCIP Explorer and search for your transaction. Search your transaction. You can see that is blessed, is going well. When this is success, we can come back to our NFT collection on OpenSea. Let's wait a bit. Source finalized bandana means that the first transaction is done. We could understand a bit of each. Let's see if I have this here easy for you. What is this? What is this? Limits. Okay. This is like a long process, but seems, oh, it's success now. That are the steps of this, like search finalized, committed, blessed, and success. Yes, this is done. So let's come back to our NFT collection and see. I must have now an NFT with a red background. and I don't know the price. Yes. Here we are. The price didn't change since the last time that we came here, but you can see that this was minted from Fuji. If I open this NFT, the source is Fuji. Woohoo! Okay, let's explain the Minton Sepolia again a bit more. Remember, Minton Sepolia on Minton Sepolia, I'm creating a CCIP message. This is the structure of a message. And on this message, I'm defining everything. The receiver will be the smart contract on the destination chain on Sepolia that it's prepared to receive my message. So my destination contract must have the CCIP receive function. This is prepared to receive my message on Sepolia, and on Fuji, I'm sending to that contact. Okay? Data. I can add any kind of information. If I add here some hello world, I can, but my goal is to send the function that will be called by the NFT. So I'm expecting that my NFT call this function, mint from. And the mint from is from the address that I'm defining here. This is the parameter. And the source is one. Where is this one? This one was defined on my NFT. The chain one is Fuji. And the mint from is on my NFT as well, because it's here. The mint from to source ID. And okay, I defined the message. This is the token amount. We are not sending tokens now. And it's important to increase the gas limit in order to do this. So when I'm sending the transaction, I'm sending this gas limit. Where you can check this? Let's go to MetaMask and open my transaction on Fuji Block Explorer. And here you can see some details. And here was the method that I call it. Okay. This is what I did. Okay. Come back here. Then remember that I'm paying fees on the sources. So the mint will happen on Sepolia, but I'm paying fees on Fuji. I'm paying fees using the link token. Remember that you must define the address of the link that you are paying fees. Then I'm calculating the fees in order to check if I have enough to do this. So the router on Fuji is getting the fee based on the destination chain and my message. And I'm checking if the fees are higher than the amount of link that I have here. If it is, it's reverting, so send more link to your contract. And if not, the router is sending the transaction to the CCIP network. And I got the message ID. Okay? Okay. Is this? This was a review of the mint on Sepolia. And if I try to do this again, I'm sure that I can't. Because if you saw here, for example, I spent 2.58 link, and now I have only 2.41. So probably I must send more link to do this again. Okay. And And now I will answer some questions from you. And also, I know that I must update this, so I'm updating this in the other screen just now. Okay, if you'd like to see this, you can. Let's only add a bit of order here. So this is the content that we did yesterday. I must do in the other screen because I must copy and paste. So let's create all of this on my GitHub. Yeah, you do this manually and then answer your questions. Process minter, the price. I'm missing some questions. Wait a minute. Cross destination minter. Great, let's answer your questions. We have a lot. Oh, great, Rama, you got them. Amazing. And TZ, I think he was talking about the data session on the messages. So we talk about this. This is the information that I did. Okay, I explain. Yes, Alex, you can automate, but you must have the Sepolia in another account, but you can do this. So amazing one, John. Elizabeth didn't use our Discord group because we have a channel over there to help you. If you send a message directly to me related to the bootcamp or in fact related to anything now, probably I will answer in 1 month because it's hard on this moment. So let's get the support of the other colleagues here, okay, on the group. And where can you see the message? The message is here. Like this is the message, and this is the message that we send on the cross chain. And the message will be executed here in the CCIP receiver. This is receiving the message and calling on the NFT. Okay. You must have the CCIP deployed on this private chain. So it's not so open, depends of the chain, okay? I didn't understand your comment, Tom. What will be the overall steps? From Sequoia to Fuji, yes. So if you'd like to do the opposite, first, on the cross-source minter, you must add the address of, if the source is Sepolia, here will be Sepolia, inverted everything here and here and here. Okay, you can do this. It's a good exercise, in fact. And are you do this in our GitHub? For now, you can try to check it and see the video, but I will do this later on the Gitbook. Probably, Vandana, check if you have enough link inside your content, okay? Probably is this. And yes, we must wait at least 4 minutes, sometimes more. And yes, you must check the CCIP Explorer. Great one, Ring. So, what more? Yes, remember that here we don't have any space inside the message. If you have one here, it will be a problem. Let's see if our content is still right. Maybe someone changed it, I don't know. No, it's good. It's our content. It's so good. Okay, seems not bad. And let's try to finish the code to you. So cross destination minter is this. Okay, I'm updating the GitHub now. Cross NFT, copy it. I did this right? Yes, cross minter, add Ctrl C, add Ctrl Z. Okay, all good. Oh no, I did this wrong. Cross destination minter. I'm copying the wrong place. Cross destination minter is this. Let's check it. Cross destination minter, all good. So save and close. Cross NFT, this. Save and close. Cross minter. Save and close. Check it everything. Cross Chainlink price. Oh, I know that you are not seeing my screen. I'm here, okay? Let's see if I did this right. Cross chain price NFT.sol, yes, it's right. Cross destination minter.sol is good. Cross source minter is good. All good. So now I must upload this for you. And if you have more questions, I'm here around. I will answer. Where I am. Chainlink Bootcamp here. Like this is not an advanced class, so I'm not doing everything with you. But if you'd like to see how I'm updating my GitHub, like this is the source of them. So git add everything that is changed and git commit. You don't need to do this, okay? My message is session CCIP NFT messaging, and then git push, and these three files will appear in a few minutes. Now if we go here, is that our codes are here now, okay? CCIP messaging. Let's see if you have summed up over there. Yes, if you'd like to mint from Polygon, you can create the destination minter you not change. This is not so difficult. I'm not doing this now because we must have tokens on Mumbai. But if you use the same cross-source minter and change here, the router, you'll be the Mumbai router, and also change the router, change the link token. Didn't change nothing here, only change the source, and you can do this on Mumbai. But then I'd like to see your transaction. Oh, okay, you got the success. Yes. Congrats, Vandana. So is this for today. I think mint test error. We we don't have any information with this. Sorry. We cannot understand this. Oh, I love this, guys. I really love this. You think that you need on Sepolia, but you have it. And yes, if you try to get something that 3 Sepolia is too much. And this is amazing. I don't know who are you, but you first check this. I love this. Okay, I have some time. Now I'm doing a demonstration with you, okay? I'm not expecting that you do this with me, okay? So I'm doing from Mumbai. But you are, if you don't have tokens on Mumbai, I will not have it now. So let's do this. I will create a new one across Minter from Mumbai. Cross Minter. This is a demo now. I'm not expecting you to do with me. Cross Minter Mumbai. Okay. Then I'm copying this. And I can share the code with you later. Let's finish. Deploy this on Mumbai. What more I must change? I must change here. Let's get this. Testnet, last testnet. So we are on Mumbai now. The router is this. So let's update the router. And I'd like to change here because now is the router address Mumbai. And here I'm using this. Where is the link token on Mumbai? This. So you know that I came here, got the link token here, and I'm updating here. All good. So I must approve the router, not the Fuji, but the Mumbai. All good here. I'm going to Sepolia, so it's not changing over there. Mint on Sepolia, but mint from Mumbai network to be chain 2, where I got this here. You can see that I have I created this chain 2, Mumbai. I defined this. So, oh, I lost it here. Source Minter Mumbai. Let's see here. The source is 2, not 1 now. I think it's only this. Yes, this is enough. Okay. Now I must go to Mumbai. I will share this with you. I will delete this because you cannot help you now. Sorry. So this is a challenge for you from Mumbai. So MetaMask, Mumbai. And I didn't have in Mumbai on my MetaMask now. So, oh, I have it. I don't know. Let's see. No, I don't. So let's go to chainlist.org and testnets Mumbai. Here we are. So add Mumbai to MetaMask. Okay. Being on Mumbai, I didn't. So let's add to MetaMask. Hey, Aiki, nice one. I will think about this probably for next bootcamp. Okay. So now I have in Mumbai and probably I am over there. Yes, I am in Mumbai. I have some link. I don't know if I have some link. Let's discover. Let's go to the docs.chain.link, chain.link, and get the link contract. I think is this a link token contracts, and I am on Mumbai. So here we are. Oh, I could get in the order. Add to wallet. Let's make my life easy. And yes, I have a link. So add link on Mumbai MetaMask. Here we are. And you can see that I did from zero. All good now. So let's deploy. I will deploy this, not this. I must be sure. I will close the others, okay? Because I must be sure that I have on cross-source Minter Mumbai the same destination Minter. I'm deploying on Mumbai now. Okay, here you are. If you'd like to do this, you can do with me. Add here your name and... Oh, I didn't share the contact with you yet. Sorry. Wait. Because I didn't change the name of the contact, including. Let's cross-source Minter Mumbai. Remember that this is a demo now. On the remix, create this. Okay, you can do by yourself because this is a challenge. But I can add the challenge for you. This is what I did now live with you. And the name, and now we must add this if you do. So this is mine. Okay. And I think I'm done here. Remember that you must fund on MetaMask. Fund with 5 link. So I told you that this is a demonstration because I will not give you tokens, guys. It's too much for now. You must try to get it. Try the Chainlink faucet again, not the workshop faucet, but let's send it here. Send here. I'm not sending Matic, I must send link 5. Next. Confirm. Then let's check my balance. Still 0. Now the transaction is confirmed. Yes, I have 5. Mintel Sepolia, good luck to me. Confirm. And if you'd like to do this, next time I'll try to have this with you, but I was not prepared on this time. If you are doing with me, please add here, if you do this later, your CCIP transaction ID, so the mint on Sepolia transaction ID. And this is mine, you can check mine. Let's go over there, copy transaction ID. Go to the CCIP Explorer, search. Waiting for finality. So we're waiting more here. But in fact, it's an excellent idea to do 2 source minters. I like this. I will try to do this next time, okay? Daniel, the destination minter is always the same, okay? Because we are sending we sent from Fuji, now we are sending from Mumbai, but always going to Sepolia, okay? So this is the cross-chain destination maintainer address. But this is a challenge now, is difficult because I didn't did the other steps with you. So don't worry if you don't this now. How is this? No, I was not here. Here is still waiting for finality. The fee, it is lower than when we did from Fuji. Interesting. Yes, exactly. You must have one contract. You must have two source contracts, two separate source contracts, because they are deployed in different chains, but they can go to the same destination contract on the destination chain. Okay. And I'm not sure if this is not updated yet. Let's wait a bit more. And guys, remember that, oh wow, we have some people doing here. Amazing. Congrats, everyone. And remember that you can review the section here. If you have problems, go to our Discord. We have the Bootcamp channel for you over there. And you can exchange information over there. What more? What's happened with the finality here? Maybe we can check if tomorrow this is done. I'll check you one more minute, okay? And we are almost finishing. Let's remember you to follow the Chainlink on YouTube as well. Remember to follow us on YouTube. And we are live here. Woohoo! Almost finishing. And share what you think about our Chainlink Bootcamp, what your achievements with our hashtag Chainlink Bootcamp 2024, like I did here. And also I'm like retweeting some messages from you guys, like this, and the hair here in the wind, it's so funny. But this was in Spanish, this was in Portuguese, this was in Portuguese, English. Oh, here this from yesterday from Sartak. Amazing, congrats. So I'm retweeting the message that you are doing that's related to us. You can follow me as well. Let's connect. And remember that all my social networks are the same, Solange Gueiros. If you have a point, extra letter in any place, is not me. I didn't ask money. I didn't offer investments. Oh, finally, Cersei finalized it. Ooh, let's wait. I'm curious with this. Because it used to not take so long on Mumbai. It used to be faster. Oh, no, in fact, it's long. Only when we start on Fuji, it's fast. If I start in the others, this will take like 10, 15 minutes. I will not wait now. Tomorrow you can see this, okay? Hey, King, we talk about security last week. So if you come here to the bootcamp session 4, I think, yes, session 4, that I explain the CCIP with all the details and sender, receiver, router. We have one slide only related to the risk management network. This is the security part. So go here, especially this amazing article in our blog related to the 5 levels of cross-chain security. Okay, I will add this here as well, and also adding in the end of the path. And we are not waiting this because I just forgot that when we start on Fuji no, on Mumbai, Sepolia, can take sometimes 15, 20 minutes to have all the process. So we are not waiting now, but tomorrow you can see our last transaction done. For now, we have only this. Oh, it's done, it's done, it's done. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at this. So this is success. Woohoo! 7 minutes on time. And you can see here, we have now a purple came from Mumbai, and it's sad because the Bitcoin price went down. Woohoo! Not that the price is down, but woohoo that we did this. We mean, I'm so happy. And this is a great way to finish our session. Congrats to everyone that did it. So amazing. I'm closing the session now and see you tomorrow. Bye.